Understanding, it's all unraveling. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase. It's all unraveling. This is a phrase you might come across in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. It's packed with imagery and emotion, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning together. The phrase, "it's all unraveling," is often used to describe a situation where things are falling apart or losing order. Imagine a tightly woven fabric starting to come undone, thread by thread. Similarly, when plans, situations, or relationships begin to fail or deteriorate, we use this phrase to capture that sense of disintegration. It's important to note that this phrase carries a sense of unexpectedness and loss of control. The unraveling isn't usually a welcome development. It signifies that things are not going as planned and might be getting out of hand. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal relationships, after years of small misunderstandings, it's all unraveling now. This could refer to a friendship or a romantic relationship that's breaking down. 2. In professional settings, with the project deadlines missed and the team's morale low, it's all unraveling at work. This illustrates a work project that's failing to meet its goals. 3. In narratives or stories, as the secrets started coming out, it was clear it's all unraveling for the protagonist. Here, it's used to describe a plot where the character's life or plans start to fall apart. Each of these examples shows how the phrase can be applied in different contexts to convey a sense of disarray or chaos. When using "it's all unraveling," it's crucial to consider the tone and context of your conversation or writing. This phrase is best suited for situations that are serious or dramatic rather than casual or light-hearted. It's a powerful expression that can help you convey a strong emotional or situational breakdown, making your communication more vivid and impactful. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase, "it's all unraveling," with confidence. English is a rich language full of expressive phrases that can add depth to our conversations and storytelling. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you master is a step forward. Thanks for joining me today, and keep unraveling the mysteries of English.